Hi everyone, it's Miss Jenichen. Happy Wednesday. If you saw my video yesterday, then you know that we started to talk about vowel pairings and how they can make a long vowel sound when two vowels come together. And so we learned that when two vowels go walking, the first one does the talking. For example, in words like male, male. Male is spelt like to get mail in the mailbox is spelt M-A-I-L, because when these two vowels go walking, that first one does the talking, which is A, male. And we did some practice with long vowel E and A-Y. And for today, we're going to continue with part 2, and we are going to look at when two vowels go walking for vowel I. Now, I don't have my word family house for these ones, so I'm going to be using my whiteboard with my eloquent boxes here, or sound boxes, just so I can show you the letters in the words. And then I also am going to be using my magnetic letters, and I will be referring to our long vowel option cards. Okay? All right. Let's get started with our first vowel pairing, which is I-E. Okay? Now, we learned that when two vowels go walking, the first one does the talking. So if I see these two vowels next to each other, what are they going to say? Which is the first vowel? I. That's right. So it's going to say I. It's not going to say E. It's just going to say I, because when these two vowels go walking, the first one does the talking. I. So you can kind of see here, under our IE scream code, I, you can see I-E as one of the options. All right? So let's think. What are some words you know that end in I? That might look like this. I'm going to show you one right now. Are you ready? It's a yummy dessert that I like to eat. What sound does P make? P. Good, so get your mouth ready to say P. I. P. Pie. That's right, pie. This is pie like apple pie or cherry pie. P-I-E. Okay? So if we are looking at this word family with I-E, we can think about pie as one of the choices. Now, what if I change the P in pie with T? So it's not pie anymore, it's T. Tie. Like something that Dad or Grandpa might wear with their jacket and their suit, a tie, right? T-I, tie. Now, the last one I want to teach you with I-E is if we change T to I, lie. That's when you don't tell the truth, huh? That's how you spell it. Lie. All right, so we learned lie, pie, and tie. You can practice writing them on your own, but the next word pairing, vowel pairing that we're going to talk about is O-A. O-A. Okay? So, I got two vowels to go walking. Which is the first vowel? Okay, if that one does the talking, what does it say? O. That's right. O. All right, so let's do some examples. I'm going to start with putting the letter T at the end, like this, because we're going to have a couple of them that are going to, well, just two of them, they're going to both end in T. So we've got O, T. What word is this right now? That's right, oat. Oats are something that farm animals might eat, or oatmeal, right? Oats, a grain, oat. Now, what if I put a B in front of this? Oat, B, oat. What do I get? Boat. That's right, like a boat going through the ocean. Boat. So then, now that you know how to write boat, what if I want to write goat. Oat. What is that? Goat. Yeah, a goat, like an animal that lives on a farm. You might say bah, or something else maybe, that's more of a sheep, but goat. So if you're trying to spell goat, you could write O-A, and that's how you'd be able to spell goat. All right, we're gonna do one more. We'll keep the O-A on there, but I'm gonna get 2 new letters. Here we go, perfect. All right, so what do we have here? O-A, which says O. Now, what if we'll start with the first letter, have a S in the front. S, O, P. Let's find it in 3 chunks. Even though there's 2 boxes, it's still all red. It's one sound, right? So let's think of it as this. Maybe, no, I'm slow, just leave it the way it is. So, S, O, P. Soap. Like I wash with soap with my hands to make sure that there's no germs. Soap. Can you think of any other words that have O-A in the middle? All right. The next O long vowel combination that we are going to do is O-E. So we've done O-A, which is what we just did, boat, right? The next one we're going to do is O-E down here at the bottom that you can kind of see. So these are our 2 vowels. Oops, actually, and I'm going to want this one. We only have a couple of examples, but O-E. And O-E, when they go together, what do they say? O, because when 2 vowels go walking, the first one does the talking. All right, let's see if you can read some of these words with our O-E vowel pairing. How about this one? Let's start with this. T-O. Toe. Like one of your toes. If I wanted to write toes, what could I do? Toes. There it is. More than one, you just add an S. Toes. Huh. All right, well, does anyone know what a female deer is called? Doe, a deer, a female deer. Doe. This is how you would write doe, as in a female or a girl deer. A doe. All right? All right, so the vowel combinations we've gone through so far. I-E, lie, tie, pie. O-A, like boat, goat, float. That's another one you could do. And then we also did O-E, like doe or toe. The last vowel combination that we're going to do for this video, the last 2 vowels that can go next to each other and make a long vowel sound are, oh, I need my longer board for this one, U-E. Okay? You could take a look over here if you want to also. Do you see the one that has U-E? Well, when 2 vowels go walking, the first one does the talking. So which is the first vowel? U, right? So what would these two things say together? You. That's right, because the vowel's name is U. You can see it right here. Okay? All right, the first one, I want to ask you, what color is this? Blue. I want to give you a little bit of a challenge since this is our last one. Write UE, and we're going to practice whatever the next two are going to be, and you can write these words a couple of times, okay? They all end in UE, and they're all going to have two letters before. All right, blue. Can you fill in the letters by yourself? And I'm going to put them on by myself over here too, and then we'll show each other. Blue. 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 Ready? 1, 2, 3. Show me. Woohoo! You wrote the word blue. Because when two vowels go walking, the first one does the talking. All right, so if I know how to write blue, what if I want to write true? Like not a lie, but true. If you watched my last video with the other vowel pairings, A-I, E-A, and A-Y, we talked about this blend that sometimes sounds like ch, but it's actually two different letters. So think about it. True. True. Ready? What do you think it is? Did you get this? Fabulous job. True. Like, is that true or is that a lie? It's true. All right, so how about we do a couple more? With the UE ending, we did blue, we did true. Oh, I know. I will give you a clue. Clue. Can you say that? Clue. One of my students is practicing reading because his parents are writing simple clues and putting them around the house so he can find his prize for the week. And that's been helping him read. And so now he knows how to write the word clue. Clue. So if the ending is UE, clue, what are those first two letters? Get your mouth ready to say clue. Clue. Ready? Let's see if you can do it. Clue. Clue. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Is this what you got? Awesome. If it's not what you got, that's okay. Erase it or write it again. This is clue. Clue. And then our last one, you can just take off the C if you'd like because it's another L blend, is glue. Glue. I went a little bit fast on that one, sorry. Glue! All right. I really hope you enjoyed this video. We are now all done with the vowel combinations. So A-I, E-A, and A-Y from my video previously. And then this video we have I-E, O-A, O-E, and U-E to learn the long vowel sounds from these combinations. Because when two vowels go walking, the first one does the talking. All right, have a great day, everybody. Oh, and stay tuned for another long vowel video, but it's going to be a wild card video because they are long vowel sounds that have crazy spellings. We'll get to that another time. See you later.